Hello and welcome to Thorpe Park. The news is finally out. The trains have been revealed. And yes, it's finally the day that you've all been waiting for. And of course, we're just chilling around because after yesterday, it was such a remarkable day seeing those trains. And yes, it's finally the day. Welcome to your Mac ride with lights on, Luke. It's got lights. It's exciting. Yeah. Do you like it, Luke? Yes. I can now say it's finally been revealed. How do you feel about that?
I feel, oh my days, I feel relief from that.
Yeah. Happy days.
Oh.
Video! How am I feeling after the train? Feeling amazing. Look at the Stella, the golden day, golden beads. You belong to find your fearless.
Yes.
So excited. What do you think?
Yeah, it's very, very interesting. And oh my days, those trains just look beautiful. Look magnificent.
Honestly, those trains, I keep looking at it. We were on our phones for about 5-10 minutes watching the trailer. Shout out to Thorpe Park and the team, Kieran, Jag, people behind it, marketing, John Burton, Merlin Magic team behind it. Honestly, I can't think any better trains like that. So here's to Thorpe Park, to marketing, Merlin Magic team, John Burton, everyone's behind it. Cheers, Luke. We need a drink. Should we have some mustard later with our food?
Yeah.
Not for me anyway. To the golden glory for all these years, 12 years later, golden moment. Oh, that was a nice crack, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Now drink it.
Okay, fine.
Cheers, Luke.